Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change our status in Badoo. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type badoo.com and hit on enter right now. Well guys, as you can see, I have already logged into my account, so if you have not, do log in right now. Right now, we simply want to change our Badoo status, so let's go to Profile. The button's right here at the bottom right, simply click on it. Then this will open up. Right here, just below your name, here's your status. Simply click on it and this will open up. From here, you can change it to here to date, open to chat or ready for a relationship. These are your status. In case you do not find this, what you can do is simply go to your profile settings. Right here at the top right, here's an icon like this next to settings. Simply click on it. Then this will open up. Simply scroll down till you see something like why you're here. Just below it, it's saying ready for a relationship. I'm gonna click on this tab right here and the same thing will open up. It's gonna give you some options like here to date, select whichever one you wish, and once everything's okay, simply hit on add to profile. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your status in Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.